What if I told you that the average American is silently throwing away over $500 every single month, and they have absolutely no idea it's happening? Today I'm breaking down 7 everyday expenses that are quietly draining your bank account. Number 4 is going to shock you. Stay till the end because I'm also giving you a simple fix for every single one. Welcome back. If you're serious about keeping more money in your pocket every month, you're in the right place. These aren't random tips. These are the exact spending traps that financial experts say are keeping millions of Americans from building real wealth. Let's get into it. Number 1, subscription services you forgot about. The average American pays for 11 streaming and subscription services every single month. That's Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, Spotify, gym memberships, meal kits, and random apps charging you $2 to $15 quietly every month. Added together, most people are spending between $150 and $200 monthly on subscriptions they barely use. The fix? Go to your bank statement right now, filter by recurring charges, and cancel anything you haven't used in the last 30 days. Simple. Number 2, buying coffee and food outside every day. This one sounds basic, but the numbers are wild. If you buy 1 coffee and 1 meal outside every workday, you're spending roughly $400 to $600 per month. That's nearly $5,000 a year. Gone. The fix is not to never eat out. That's unrealistic. The fix is to meal prep just 3 days a week and make coffee at home on those same days. You'll cut this expense in half without feeling restricted. Number 3, paying full price for everything. Americans leave thousands of dollars on the table every year by not using cashback apps, coupons, or price comparison tools. Apps like Rakuten, Honey, and Capital One Shopping automatically find discount codes and give you cash back on purchases you were already going to make. There is literally zero effort involved. Install them today and start saving immediately on everything from groceries to online shopping. Number 4, and this one surprises almost everyone, bank fees and low-interest savings accounts. The average American pays around $250 per year just in bank fees. Monthly maintenance fees, ATM fees, overdraft fees, they add up fast. On top of that, most people keep their savings in a regular bank account, earning 0.01% interest. Meanwhile, high-yield savings accounts at banks like Marcus by Goldman Sachs or Ally Bank are paying 4 to 5% interest right now. If you have $10,000 saved, that difference is nearly $500 per year doing absolutely nothing extra. Number 5, car expenses you're overpaying on. Most Americans are overpaying on car insurance without realizing it. Studies show that simply shopping around and comparing quotes every 6 months can save you between $300 and $800 per year on the exact same coverage. Use sites like the Zebra or NerdWallet to compare quotes in under 5 minutes. Also check if your employer or any memberships you have offer car insurance discounts. Most people never ask. Number 6, impulse buying triggered by social media. This one is a modern money killer. The average person sees over 5,000 ads per day, and social media platforms are specifically designed to make you buy things you didn't plan to. The fix that actually works is the 48-hour rule. Any unplanned purchase over $30, wait 48 hours before buying it. Studies show that over 60% of the time, you won't even want it anymore. This one habit alone can save most people $100 to $300 every single month. And number 7, not negotiating bills you think are fixed. Your internet bill, your phone bill, your insurance, these are all negotiable. Most Americans assume these are fixed prices. They are not. Call your provider, tell them you're considering switching to a competitor, and ask for a loyalty discount or better rate. This works about 70% of the time. The average person who does this saves between $20 and $60 per month per bill. That's potentially hundreds of dollars saved per year with one 15-minute phone call. So there you have it, 7 expenses silently draining your wallet every single month. Start with just one of these today. Cancel 1 subscription, download 1 cashback app, call 1 bill provider. Small steps create massive results over time. If this video helped you, hit subscribe because every week I post simple money strategies designed specifically to help you keep more of what you earn. See you in the next one.